With summer and long evenings now well and truly here, what better time to explore some stunning new projects for yourself, your sewing friends and family. We start June with a lovely project entitled Sail Away, which we can do in our own minds, even if we are still not allowed to travel. This delightful quilt was designed by Lynn Goldsworthy, cleverly using panels and fabrics from Makawa. Jennie Rayment returns to the studio with a tumbling block project that doesn't require a Y-seam. And in a separate video, she also shows us how easy it is to pipe a cushion and get a really professional finish. Fran Rose is in the studio with this remarkable beaded kilt pin project. And the ever-talented Angela Daymond brings us some very spicy Shibori dyeing, which you can do in your kitchen using turmeric to create our own fabric with wonderful colours and patterns. Sallieann Harrison also features this month, showing us how to use wool for our applique adventures. And Valerie brings us another way to use up your scraps in her Scrap 9-Patch Quilt workshop. And finally, our Technique Thursday this month features the apron-clad Janet Clare, showing us how easy it is to actually draw with our sewing machine. Much less scary than free motion quilting. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.